Okay, so we are in the Kempinski Boulevard, which is in across the road from Dubai Mall, to be honest. So this is a double bed, a room with a double bed. So as soon as you walk in, you have the closets on the side. It's probably got a safe in it, yep, mashallah. And then you have a dressing table here on the left hand side as soon as you walk in. Don't normally get it over here, it's normally in the room, but it's fine, it's not an issue. You got the toilet, you got a double sink. Got a shower cap, no toothbrush or toothpaste, which is a bit surprising for a hotel like Kempinski. You've got the bathtub and the shower, and then you've got the toilet. Let's get into the main room. As soon as you get in, there's the coffee machine over here. Then you have the shelf to make the coffee, etc. They give you newbie, whatever it is, coffee, and then coffee and tea, sorry. Mini bar, again. Quite a cool hanger. That's nice, that's very nice. And this is the room, so quite a big room, very big room actually. Got an iPad on the side, which is probably to do with the controls of the room, yep. Let's have a look. Yep. So you just control the room temperature and the lighting from there. We've got a seating area. We've got a office area over here. This I didn't see earlier. You have, if I can get it open, a balcony overlooking Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. So I think this is one of the upgraded rooms. So you have a nice seating area, which is quite nice. So you got the view of the Burj Khalifa. Again, quite nice. The pool looks quite good. Good to do lengths in. Yeah, overall looks quite good. I think that's a bridge that's connecting you to Dubai Mall over there. Again, convenient. Looks nice. So this is the Kempinski Boulevard. And that's Dubai Mall right in front of you.